In my piles of random electronics that I haven't sorted through yet, I had this, which I saved from the trash. I thought it was a reel-to-reel audio player, but no. It is a Deluxe Olympia Typewriter. And I think this could actually be saved. Now, I don't need more typewriters, but we can lubricate it, see if it works, and then throw it into the antique shop for $25 maybe. Oh. I'm going to take some lubricant and put it into there. I do kind of like this. Oh, look at that. That was bent over. I guess they didn't know that you have to fold it down. That was all bent forward. Weird. I let it sit for a little bit and it's working better. something is held up in this mechanism. Whoever gets it will need to do a lot of oiling. It's interesting, there's this blackish green set of keys, and then there's the more brownish keys. And the brownish keys are the ones that got that mold on them. Now that is odd. Why all of a sudden does it stop coming back down? Was that oiling for nothing, I wonder? You know what I'm noticing though is now it's finally hitting the letter. Before I would do that and it just wouldn't touch. Now that is strange. This has also stopped moving. I'm wondering what else is there to actually lubricate. There is this row of hinges in here, and then this row of hinges. And of course the linking mechanism for the two, I guess. On my other typewriters, when I do that, it actually touches, but right now, it sometimes doesn't. Now I know you have to type very, very stiffly with a typewriter, but this one seems more stiff than normal. If I understand right, this is like a 1962 model or so. Oh, I just got grease on me. Oil, I mean. Before I take it to the antique shop, I will take it into my bathroom and get a sponge and take off some more gunk, but looks like this plastic is deteriorating. It's a shame when that happens. It's actually quite nice. I get the feeling that if I keep dumping more oil into this, I'm just going to be wasting it, because there's probably a better method that I need to do in order to make it work more perfectly. But still, it's quite neat. See if my little bit of oil helped this. It did. Okay, so that's better. Now that I'm thinking about it more, I'm thinking this would probably be like $15 typewriter, $12. We'll have to see. They go for quite a bit online, but never know how that works out. But I really love the case. Just needs a bit of reworking, a bit of gluing. The plywood's coming undone. Actually, probably what I would do is just remove the entire bottom layer, but who knows, that can be up for the next owner. And at the very least, it's not going in the trash. I get the feeling that maybe I was just very lucky with my other typewriters, because just by adding some oil to a few of those hinges, I was able to make them very responsive. And my old IBM Selectric, well, that just works no matter what. It doesn't really need oiling as far as I can tell. That's nice. And one last item in the workshop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm enjoying getting rid of things. And thank you very much for watching. See ya.